Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. On the 17th, Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I did a collab, which was also a contest, but this time we were judging you on a challenge, CCC, to put up a video of a Christmas character, anything at all. Just dress your dolls for Christmas or do a Christmas character or anything you wanted to do. We were astounded. I counted 11 videos plus Tammy and I. 13 videos went up that day. We cannot thank you enough. Tammy had some unexpected travel, so we are going to announce the winner today, and they'll get a shout out on my channel today with a link. And then on our next CCC, we're going to give you another shout out with a link. We cannot thank you enough for the participation. It's incredible. Everyone was spectacular. The winner is Octopuddin. We're going to put a link to her video that won her the shout out in our description, and you should go look at it. It is over the top, as all of them were. Thank you so much for participating. Merry Christmas, and God love you all for joining in. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.